Even in the demanding sawmill business, Prolong has shown an incredible ability to maximize equipment performance. Billy Bond, consulting engineer in this field, has been amazed by Prolong's ability to excel under extreme conditions.
In a sawmill, it's probably an engineer's worst nightmare with maintenance. You've got a huge dust factor, thumping factor. It's just a nasty environment for any poor bearing to live up to. There's one way you can compensate: put the right grease in at the right time, and you will find yourself being ahead of the rest and giving yourself a little bit of free time. You've got over 2,000 logs a day going through the system. We've got in excess of 300 personnel, also all driving different pieces of machinery. It's a night shift as well as a day shift, so it's not always possible to have maintenance crews at the site at the right time in the right place. Therefore, you've got to have the right lubrication, and this is where Prolong certainly makes the difference. In the kiln itself, we've got a very, very harsh environment for any bearing. You've got 110 degrees heat, you've got a lot of humidity, you've got a 24-hour times 10-day operation where you don't want the kiln to break down. You don't want your fans to stop. You've got to have your air movement. Kiln bearings are probably one of the sawmill's worst nightmares. You've always got a problem until you use Prolong. After that, no problem. You can then schedule your changes. You can change your bearings according to when you want to, as opposed to the other way around, which just doesn't suit. On our saws, we utilize Prolong in the bearings of all the spindles. In the machine shop, we utilize it on the beds in the actual molding machines. We've used them in the spindles as well. These run in up to 4,000 RPM. Also taking a lot of pounding. You've got all knot structures and things like that in your timber, which certainly puts a lot of wear and tear on your spindle bearings. Since using Prolong, we've decreased the problems by more than half. It's another very, very good application in the sawmill is in our chipper bearing. Now, that particular machine runs for 24 hours a day. It gobbles up all the waste of a sawmill, and believe you me, it can take a pounding on its own. Prolong in the bearings there, no downtime. The only time we stop it is to change the blades, that's all. Prolong or nothing. If you want to spend the time doing the job twice, go ahead, utilize anything else you want to. You want to do it once, do it Prolong.